Cat currently offers the WB in 2 build materials that have 2 very different use cases. There's the Inconel 718, which is an extremely hard use can that can take extreme firing schedules, extreme temps, and basically anything you can throw at it, but it is heavier, actually about twice as heavy as the titanium. Then there's the titanium can. This can is so lightweight at between 7 and 8 ounces. Depending on the model, it barely weighs more than some muzzle brakes. I know I've said in the past that you won't even notice this can or that can on the end of your rifle, but that has never been more true than with the titanium white bread. Now, that very impressive weight does come with a few restrictions. If you go to Cat's website, at the bottom click on Manuals, then click on WB, and you can see the restrictions, and as far as the titanium goes, there are quite a few. First off, barrel length is restricted to nothing less than 10 inches, which is pretty doable, and then there's the temperature restrictions. According to Cat, the can shouldn't exceed 650 degrees, and they recommend knowing how many consecutive shots in 5-round groupings it takes to get to 550 degrees, and then let the can cool back down. Now, that is a serious simplification of what is written there, and if you plan on getting the silencer, I highly recommend you go to the page and read and understand it for yourself. I wanted to see how many rounds it took to get to about 550 degrees, so you would have some idea.